अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं जिस टॉपिक के बारे में आपको बताने जा रही हूँ तो सिंपली सर्च के आइकन पे क्लिक कर लेते हैं और यहाँ पे अपना टॉपिक जो है वो पेस्ट कर लेते हैं। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है टू क्रिएट पेपल अकाउंट इन पाकिस्तान। सर्च पे क्लिक कर दिया तो यहाँ आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं कि इसके रिलेटेड वेबसाइट ओपन हो चुकी है। टू क्रिएट अ पेपल अकाउंट इन पाकिस्तान, follow this step. First of all, search www.paypal.com, click home and open it. Second, open the upper right corner of the page. You will see the sign up button. Third, after clicking the sign up button, you will see two account option, personal and business accounts. How to make PayPal account in Pakistan. तो ये वेबसाइट में ओपन कर लेती हूँ इस टॉपिक के रिलेटेड। हाउ टू मेक पेपल इन पाकिस्तान। हम पेपल अकाउंट कैसे पाकिस्तान में ओपन कर सकते हैं। विद द एडवांसमेंट इन साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, द मोड ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस इज आल्सो चेंजिंग बाय लैप्स एंड बॉन्ड्स फ्रॉम लॉजिस्टिक्स टू मनी हैंडलिंग। एवरी बिजनेस ऑपरेटिंग इज गेटिंग सिग्निफिकेंटली influenced by digitization. In the past, monetary transactions used to take place through banks, but now online payment methods have taken charge. On the most common online payment method is PayPal. Garana.com, Pakistan's first online real estate marketplace, will tell how to make PayPal in Pakistan. What is PayPal? PayPal is a financial technology company based in America. It is known for operating online payment system across the globe. In short, PayPal act as alternative traditional monetary transaction method. PayPal processes the payment for its clients and in return it charges a fee for the transaction. This is how its business model works. Pros of using PayPal. PayPal is a well-liked option for online transaction due to its many benefits. The following are some advantages of utilizing PayPal. Security. PayPal renowned for its high level of protect. Your financial information is protected by encryption technology, and since the vendor won't need access to your credit card or bank account information, there is a lower chance of fraud. Buyer protection. PayPal provides buyer protection which entitles you to be a refund of the entire purchase amount, including shipping fees, if you don't receive then the item you ordered or it different materially from what was advertised. PayPal also provides seller protection, which helps shield merchants from approve of fraudulent charge back and gives them peace of mind when doing online business online. Conveniences. Both consumers and sellers can use PayPal easily because online merchants and e-commerce platforms readily accept it. You can connect your PayPal account to your bank or credit card to enable multiple payment options. Global reach. PayPal accepts different currencies and is accessible in more than 200 countries, making it simple to conduct business internationally. For companies that conduct international commerce, this is very helpful. Command speed compared to more conventional payment methods like check or bank transfer. PayPal payment or often proceeds rapidly, enabling quicker transaction. Mobile app. You can make payments, send money and manage your account while on the go with PayPal. User-friendly mobile app. Easy to use. PayPal has a user-friendly interface that is simply enough for people of all technological background to use. Connection. A lot of online platforms such as eBay and Spotify already have PayPal connection built in, which make it simple for companies to accept payment. मल्टीपल पेमेंट मेथड्स हैं, रिवार्ड एंड कैश बैक है, पेइंग बिल्स हैं। तो ये हमारा आज का टॉपिक था, हाउ टू मेक पेपल इन पाकिस्तान। तो आई होप मेरी जो वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक यू सो मच एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।